This is a creative portfolio designed especially for Milad Golshan, one of my recent YouTube subscribers. I built this during my spare time as a small token of appreciation for his support and interest in my content. Raising hands, the portfolio showcases a clean, modern UI using Bootstrap, with sections for about, skills, projects, and contact, all tailored to reflect a passionate computer engineering student or developer. I've added smooth animations, a responsive layout, and a background image that gives it a professional yet personal vibe. I really hope Milad enjoys this, and maybe even finds it helpful or inspiring on his own journey. Cheers to learning, building, and sharing.